Your template already comes styled, but here's where to update your logo, brand colors, or typography. Go to Appearance on the left side and click Customize. Here you can make changes to various elements on your site using the left sidebar. For example, we can use the header builder to change the site title and logo, and work with the primary menu and update social links. I'm actually going to hide these social links since I don't want them on my site. I'll go back. You can click on Global to adjust colors, typography, button styles, and more. And then finally, you can access the footer builder. Here you can update social links, logo, copyright information, and other text. For my site, I'll go ahead and hide the social links again. To update the text in the footer, click on it and then update the text in the left sidebar. Or if you want to remove it, you can click the 3 dots to expand the menu and then click Delete. To replace the logo, click on the logo in the preview, and then on the left sidebar, click the button to replace it, and then upload your own replacement image or logo. Don't forget to add alt text and a title. Next, you may need to update your logo size in the footer. In the left sidebar, click Edit Image. Then under Display Settings, use the Size drop-down menu to change the size of the logo. I also recommend setting your footer logo to link to the home page. Next to Link To, click the drop-down, and then select Custom URL. Then enter your domain. That's a common navigation technique for people to be able to click on the site logo and go back to the home page. When you're all done editing the logo, click Update. As you make edits, the changes appear live in the preview. When you're all done, click Publish in the top left corner. And then click the X in the top left corner to go back to the WordPress dashboard.